So in this chapter we are going to talk about fork, remote repository and local. So as we talked about, we have the main repository, okay, which we are calling remote, but we can create the fork of that repository. So basically the fork of that repository will be the exact same replica of the remote, but the difference is like instead of cloning the main repo, we are cloning our fork so that we will everyone will be having an individual server copy of remote repository. Why the fork is required? The fork is required like in mainly was created for the source open source control. For the example, we have the Linux repository, right? It's a open source. We cannot allow anyone to directly push the changes in the Linux source code. It need to be reviewed. So what we can, but it need to be updated by various developers around the world. So what we do is Git provided a facility known as the fork. So you create the exact server copy of yours of the Linux repository or any other repository, and then you clone that repository to your local, you do your changes, and you push your changes to your fork, and from there you create a pull request to your remote repository to get your changes merged. Okay, and any changes done in the remote branch is automatically synced to the fork, so you get the latest changes done by other developer. Okay, so when we are talking about remote and when we are talking about remote and fork, you will see, so your fork will be your origin and your remote repository will be upstream. So what is the difference between origin or upstream here? The origin basically is a remote repository from where we have cloned our repository. So for the example, in this case, my fork will be my origin because I have cloned the fork in my local, so it is my origin. And this repository, this is main repository, will be if I'm pointing to it for communication, it will be upstream. Okay, so origin is the remote repository from where we are getting the from which we have cloned. So if you see any command like git push origin master, it means you are pushing your changes to remote repository. Okay, and remote repository from which you have cloned the source code, and you are pushing the changes in the master branch. Okay.